Thank you so much, sir. Now I also request Sunil Sharma sir to please welcome our director sir with the flower bouquet. Thank you so much, Sunil sir. Proceeding further towards, I request director sir to please come forward and say a few words. Sir, please.
First of all, good morning everybody. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, as well as our Accurate Group, I, on the behalf of all the students, the faculty members, as well as the organizers of this event, I welcome Mr. Anand Kumar Singh. Now, first of all, when you just see the Google, just explore that what is Technip FMC. I have explored it. And when I explored, I came to know that we are having a very great personality in our campus who has taken a very small time from his very busy schedule. And when we invited him, the 4 or 5 students group, the inverters here, they invited him for coming to the college. He accepted our invitation. And that's why I, on the behalf of every student, I thank him that he has spared his valuable time. When I just spoke to him, he was very excited to deliver you the basic concepts here. And always remember that any type of lecture series is beneficial only if you take part. So whatever the concepts he is giving to you, just ask him if you have any doubts. And not only in these sessions, but you can have a everlasting relationship with him and his team. A world-renowned company of oil and gas refinery. You know that the computer science is everywhere. If you are having a oil refineries thing, energy thing, then also it needs a solution. Every type of solution is based on the computer science, IT. And from there only, he is perfect in his field. You can see his busy schedule that in a month, 3 weeks he is in India and 2 weeks he is out. In the Paris and so on. Paris, Britain, UK, UAE and other things. So, again on the behalf of Computer Science Department, I welcome him to the Accurate Group. And also request that please see that our every student can be beneficial. How they can beneficial is up to you. They are the second year, third year students are there. Some final year students are also there. So in 2 years, whatever you can deliver to us, that will be our very beneficial things. So not taking much of a time, I again welcome him on the behalf of all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Sunil Misra sir for come forward and say a few words and with the concept of briefing. Sir, please.